Today I'm back on the Salvage Challenger. The goal is to test fit this new bumper and make sure that nothing needs modification before blowing it all apart again just for paint. The air shroud does have a little damage on one of the tabs, but I'll repair that later prior to final installation. I shopped around a ton and decided on the IKON Hellcat conversion bumper. I think this updates the look of this car, and it was easy on the budget compared to OEM Mopar parts. I loosely installed the grills and the impact foam, along with permanently installing the brackets in the corners with rivets. One of these was original that I took out of the original bumper. The others I had to order for the right-hand side. Those came out to be $60 combined, and the bumper package delivered to my door was only $700. I know some of you out there will find this controversial, even considering this up-badging a lame V6 car to try to trick people into thinking I have a Hellcat. Honestly, I don't really care what you think. I like the look of this front end, so that's why I bought it. I don't really care what car it was intended to go on or came from. Once I get the hood closed, I did notice that I need to lower this fender on the passenger side. That's pretty easy. I'll just adjust the core support down a little bit. Stay tuned for more on this project and all the other ones I have going on. Thanks for watching.